Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In this video, I will show you exactly how I am taking profits right now in this bull run. I will show you what I'm doing to earn even more profits on top of my profits. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. We all know during the bull market, there's a lot of FOMO, a lot of people are making a ton of money. And it is extremely difficult to know when the top of a bull market is. So a lot of people simply wait. They do not take any profits whatsoever. They wait and they wait and they wait. And next thing you know, we are in a bear market and all the gains that you have made are slowly dwindling away. And now you're in the negative. And now even if you sell, it will be for a loss. Being completely honest, I invest in cryptocurrencies to make money, to create more wealth, to have a better lifestyle. I know a lot of these projects promise to be the next big thing, and a lot of the ideas are absolutely amazing. But in 2017 and 2018, when we had that major bull run, a lot of companies were coming up, a lot of ICOs, a lot of brand new coins were promising all kind of stuff. They were saying they're going to be the next world currency. They were saying they're going to solve this problem and that problem. But in reality, a lot of those coins, those ICOs, those projects completely vanished. They literally took the money and completely vanished without providing any value whatsoever. I know if you go on CoinMarketCap, there's thousands and thousands of different coins. But in my opinion, majority of them are total BS coins. They're total garbage. They're not going to achieve any of the things that they promise. But a select few will. So my strategy is very simple. I will be selling on the way up. I'm not going to make the same mistake like I did in 2017 and 2018, where I was trying to time the market and sell at the very top in order to make the most profits. And only a small amount of people actually sell on the top. The majority of people either sell too early or they sell in a bear market when it's too late to lock in any profits. So as of right now, my entire cryptocurrency portfolio is between 135,000 to 145,000, just depending on the day. So every single day when we are in the green, I am taking out profits. I'm taking 0.25%. That is 0.0025 on the daily. So every single day I'm taking out this money. As of right now, that is anywhere between $200 and $400 that I am pulling out of the market every single day. I know that is a very, very small percentage of my portfolio simply because I believe that we are still early in the bull run. And I believe these coins that I'm holding are going to continue to rise. So I'm slowly taking these profits. But as we continue in this bull run, I will up my percentage to like 0.5%, then a full percent, then 2%, then 3%, and so on until I get my initial investment out. Once I get my initial investment out, I will decide which coins I will be selling, which I will be holding even longer. Then I'll be playing with the house's money. But my initial goal is to get out my initial investments that I have in these coins. And now you're probably wondering, what are you doing with the money that you are taking out? Let me show you. Alright, so I am taking my profits and I am putting them into BlockFi. BlockFi is an amazing platform that allows you to earn interest on your crypto. And as you can see right now, I'm holding $1,532 in USDC and about $173 in Bitcoin. The way this works is very simple. All you have to do is deposit your coins onto BlockFi, and every single day you will accrue interest. And then this interest is paid out to you at the end of the month. In my opinion, BlockFi is absolutely amazing. As you can see, I'm holding USDC, but my interest is paid out in Bitcoin. You can also get your interest paid out in Litecoin, in Ethereum, and in Chainlink. So if you are trying to grow your portfolio even more, you can pretty much deposit all the profits that you are making as stablecoin on BlockFi, and then you can start earning other cryptocurrencies. In my opinion, this is absolutely awesome. Now I'm earning more crypto with the profits, and my profits are in stablecoin, so they will not fluctuate. So if I decide to take out $10,000, I can take out $10,000. And I do not have to worry about it going down because in stablecoins, they are pretty much pegged to the US dollar, so they maintain their value. Also on BlockFi, you are able to earn 6% on Bitcoin, On Ethereum, you'll be able to earn 5.25%. On Litecoin, 6.5%. On Chainlink, 5.5%. On Pax Gold, 5%. On USDC, 8.6%. Binance USD, 8.6%. Pax, 8.6%. And GUSD, 8.6%. As you can see, all the stable coins, they have a higher percentage. Also, BlockFi has some awesome features. You are able to take loans out against your cryptocurrency. So let's say you have $50,000 in Bitcoin, but you do not want to sell, you do not want to cash it out. On BlockFi, you'll be able to get a loan against your cryptocurrency in cash, and it will be deposited into your bank account. And then you can use that cash to make even more money. You can invest in the stock market, you can buy more cryptocurrencies, you can buy real estate. It is your money. You can do whatever you want with it. Also, I definitely plan on taking out loans against my crypto with BlockFi, and I will try to leverage that money in order to grow it even more. Also, BlockFi is partnered up with Fidelity. They have their new credit card coming out that gives you cash back in Bitcoin. They partnered up with Visa. I'm telling you, they have a ton of awesome benefits and features. So if you want to check out BlockFi, link will be in the description box below. If you use that link, you can get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin. Just depends on how much money you deposit. And now let's talk about the second way that I am taking profits, and that is on the KuCoin exchange using their lending feature. Alright everybody, that concludes this video, and that is how I am personally taking profits in this bull run. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. Also subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below and let me know, are you starting to take profits even a little bit? Let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Peace out.